solve using a replacement set. Alright, so today we're going to find the solution for y equals 2x plus 3 given the replacement set negative 2, negative 1, negative 1, 3, 0, 4, and 3, 9. So what we're going to do is we're going to determine which points lie on the line. Which point, when substituted in, gives me a true statement. So the best way to do this is using your calculator. So we start with the equation y equals 2x plus 3. So since that's already in the form of y equals, we can go right to the calculator. And in y equals, we're going to type 2x. Let's just go up here to y1, doesn't matter. 2x plus 3. All right. I'm going to hit trace. I'm going to type in the x value of negative 2. Negative 2, negative 1 is a point on the line, so that is part of the solution set. So we'll say that one is. So we'll start writing our solution set here. We're going to do curly bracket, and then the ordered pair, negative 2, negative 1. Now we're going to type in the x value of negative 1. Enter. Negative 1, 1 is a point on the line, not negative 1, 3, so that's not part of our solution set. So he's not going anywhere. Fix him up a little bit. All right, and back to the calculator. 0, 4, I can just type in 0, enter. Well, 0, 3 is on the line, so 0, 4 is it. So that one's not part of the solution set. And type in 3 for x, and I get 9. So 9 is part of the solution set. So I put a little comma, and then the ordered pair 3, 9. So the solution set for y equals 2x plus 3, given this replacement set, the two solutions in this replacement set is negative 2, negative 1, and 3, 9. Find the solution set for 3x minus 8y equals negative 4. Given the replacement set, 0, comma 0.5, 4, comma 1, 2, comma 0.75, 2, comma 4. So we need to first solve for y here. So 3x minus 8y equals negative 4. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides. Negative 8y equals negative 3x minus 4. Oops. And divide by negative 8. It's going to give me y equals 3, 8x plus 1 half. So now I'm going to put this equation into the calculator and check each of these points in the replacement set to determine which of these are solutions or lie on the line of y equals 3, 8x plus 1 half. I'm going to go into y equals. With parentheses, 3 divided by 8, parentheses, x, plus, now I can type in 1 half, but I'm going to do 0.5. And I'm going to hit trace. And I'm going to, when x is 0, that comes up. When x is 0, y is 0.5. So the first point is in the solution set. So curly bracket, 0, comma, 0.5. Let's check the next point. 4. 4, 2 is a solution, not 4, 1. So we're not going to include that in our solution set. These out. Go back to my calculator. I'm going to type in 2. 1.25. Well, not 0.75, so that one's not part of my solution set. Alright. 2, 4. That's not part of my solution set. So the only solution I'm given, the only one that's a solution is 0.5. So a solution set at the end of the curly bracket. Find the value of y for each value of x. So we're just going to substitute this in. You certainly could substitute it in, but we're going to, in this form, but why don't we go ahead and write it in y, solve for y. So we just need to minus 2x on both sides. So y equals negative 2x plus 5. So go to my handy dandy calculator. Negative 2x plus 5. Trace. Type in negative 1. When x is negative 1, y is 7. So I'm going to find the value of y for each one. So I'm going to go ahead and write it as a solution. And that was 7. So 7. And then for 0, well, I probably put 0 in and see that, but let's go ahead and use a calculator. 0 should be 5. And 3, go ahead and do that in your head, or just go on the calculator. 3 is negative 1. So, this is a set notation, but we are not going to list these from least to greatest because we want to list the corresponding value. So let's go ahead and say y equals. So now when we look at this, we know when we have negative 1 for x, y is 7. When x is 0, y is 5. When x is 3, y is negative 1.